This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo features spectacular ocean views from every room and a 180 view from the 18th floor. Be greeted by wide ocean views as soon as you walk in. The kitchen, living room, and dining room are open and feature views from any angle. The kitchen comes with granite countertops and backsplash and has stainless steel appliances. The spacious main bedroom has a huge window and access to the balcony from a glass door. This room's orientation allows for breathtaking views right from your headboard. The main bedroom has a walk-in closet, double marble sinks in the bathroom, and plenty of space for additional drawers. The second bedroom also features ocean views from the window and a spacious walk-in closet. Palacio del Mar is one of the most luxurious Baja oceanfront communities with some of the best amenities found in the area. Both the amenities and the resident services are unparalleled. Please contact us to schedule a meeting to see this condo.